Hi y'all, my name is Elia, my pronouns are they, them, their, and I am a student leader at Food Shelter Success. In this video, I'll be talking about some laundry tips. First up are some ways to save money and energy. Use a lower heat setting when drying, because when you set it to the highest temperature, it takes more energy and money to get the heat to that temperature. Hang drying clothes is also really good. I hang dry my clothes on the bar for my shower curtain and on the bar of my window curtains. Another tip is to clean the dryer lint filter, which will increase the dryer's air circulation and help your load dry faster. If you don't have space for a trash bin in the laundry room, you can use an empty tissue box as the trash bin for your dryer lint. I also use empty tissue boxes to hold trash bags, art supplies, pens, etc. Also, the cardboard tissue box and the dryer lint are compostable, so make sure you put it in the correct garbage bin. Just like the dryer, if you use hot water to wash your clothes, it takes a lot of money and energy to heat up the water. As an alternative, you should wash your clothes in cold or warm water. Modern washing machines are designed to effectively wash your clothes in cold water, and there are also cold water laundry detergent. But there are also times when it is better to use hot water, such as washing things to prevent germs, like when someone is sick and you want to wash their clothes and bed sheets. During the winter, when the water temperature is too low, or when fabrics are specifically marked to be washed in warm or hot water. Cold water also keeps dark clothes from fading. As someone who only owns black jeans and has a bunch of black shirts, this is a huge problem for me. Other things you can do to prevent your dark clothes from fading is turning them inside out when you put them in the dryer. You can also hang dry them, but make sure they're not in direct sunlight because that will also make it fade faster. Both hang drying and turning clothes inside out is also really beneficial for preserving the condition of graphic t-shirts. And make sure you're not putting too much laundry detergent because that actually makes the dye in your clothes bleed and can leave residue on your clothes. Even though the measuring cup that comes with the liquid detergent is really big, we're not even supposed to fill it up all the way or halfway. All you really need is 1 or 2 teaspoons of laundry detergent. I recommend just getting 1 or 2 teaspoons of water and pouring it into the cup, and that way you can get a general idea of how much you should be filling it up. And you can also put that laundry detergent cap in your wash instead of manually wiping it clean. Just make sure you remove it before putting it into the dryer and avoid doing this with delicate materials. And if you're out of laundry detergent, why not get some for free? Our free laundry kits are available for pickup on campus. And in the same location, we also provide free personal care kits with shampoo, deodorant, shaving supplies, and more. You can check out more information on the link below. Do you want to know a secret? You don't actually have to wash your clothes as often as you think you do. Unless your clothes are really dirty and have spills on it, or you were active in it and you were sweating, clothes can be worn 4 or 5 times before washing it. But then how can you remember which clothes are clean and which ones are only kinda clean? Well, there are multiple ways of marking them, like using different hangers or different colored hangers, or by using bread tags and safety pins to indicate which clothes are only kinda clean. If you have dry clothes that are wrinkly and want to quickly iron them, here's a little trick to do that. Put those clothes into the dryer with 1 or 2 ice cubes and put it on a warm setting. On a warm dryer setting, it will let the ice cubes turn into steam, which will iron the clothes. Do you have laundry bags? Because you can use them to organize your socks. If you put all your socks into laundry bags, it'll be much easier to find and pair the socks when you're folding clothes. In a previous Health Tip Tuesday video, I talked about eco-friendly, reusable laundry balls instead of dryer sheets, and I also talked about using a salad spinner to hand wash clothes. And I completely forgot to mention how useful the salad spinner is for washing masks. Check out that video for more information on the benefits of dryer balls and to see how a salad spinner can be used to wash items. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you check out our website, basicneeds.sfsu.edu, to get information on how to get free food, free grocery money, financial support, and guidance and support on housing. I'll see y'all next time.